everyone, so I'm here with the lovely Marie. So she's doing the table skirting. What's it tawag ani? Table skirting? Yeah. I'm not into skirting. So I'm not into skirting, so she's working on it. Masaya akong matabang, Marie. Tanaw ra. Yeah, she said I can help her by just watching her doing the skirting. Yeah, she's been doing the skirting for... Kano sa ka nag-start, Marie?
Since I was 17 years old.
Oh, 17 years old. Grade 10, right?
Yes.
Grade 10. So she likes doing the skirting. And actually, she is taking cookery right now. So this skirting work is part of her job. Part of her, the thing that she's studying. Till she graduated in senior high school. Yeah. So it really shows up why she's the second honor. Because as I observed, she works it well.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I believe that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So you're planning to get a course of unsa may imong plano sa umaabot?
Actually, I want to become a flight attendant, but sad to say, how I wish that I can
Okay. So if not, a flight attendant.
I'll find a job.
Unsa nga job? What's the job that you want? Aside, the next thing after flight attendant, if ever you will not be a flight attendant.
Mga apply ko trabaho nga kuan.
Okay. Still connected to your major right now in senior high school.
Yeah.
It makes sense. So my pretty sister is here too, and she's trying to demonstrate how to do the skirting. Show us, my dear.
Just lokot this.
Oh, lokot. What should be? Lokot.
Scratch.
Ayun, lokot. She doesn't know how to do the skirting. She only knows how to wear skirts. Joke. Katawa mo. Katawa.
May wada eh. Kibaw, manggod ko ingan na.
Yeah. She knows how to do the skirting. You should tell us how to do the skirting.
Okay.
Okay.
First and foremost,
You have to... Okay na nga ba? Magkuha na mo demonstrate. You have to...
You need pin.
Pin?
A lot of pin.
A lot of pin. And then...
Yeah, also hand tucks.
For
this. Oh, wait sa. Nagkuon ka ni Becky. Gamar ang pagpinsa. I forgot. We need to,
insert the pin. Put that fabric. Attach the fabric to the other fabric.
yes. And that's it.
And you have to use the pin to do that. First is the first pin. First is the first pin. And then you insert the second pin.
Then next, you insert the third pin.
And then insert the third pin. And you have to pilo-pilo and then insert the third pin.
Nawala.
It's special interview to Marie. What's the hardest part of skirting? Doing the skirting.
When you put the pin, especially nga kung ang pin kay grabing kuana kanang dagot ayo.
Okay. So sometimes you hurt yourself when you pin the fabric, right?
Yes, very
Crucial part.
painful.
Painful. Yeah, because it stings. It
Very
stings.
painful.
And my sister is observing so much so that she knows how to do so. So it's not possible that you start on this one and then you begin on this other end, because it has to be only one starting and one end. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, my sister will try, and if she tries that one, it will finish the next day. Next year. Okay, let's find out if she knows how. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, wow. Okay, so my sister is starting to do the design
Yeah.
because she's trying to help. The expert, we need to ask the expert if she's doing okay.
Klase-klaseng design.
Okay na ni Marie? Okay na na? Nagkatawa si
Oh.
Marie.
Yeah.
Oh my. The standard of the expert. Sorry, but you're not passing on the standard of the expert. My dear. Hala day, walang tupong day. Oh, you're doing a fine job. I just saw the pin so obvious. And walang tupong. Kaya mo yan, Day. You learn from experience. Wow. You're doing fine. Go on.
Pwede pa na pasulag pagkaon. Ara ikapigan.
Yeah, someone could hide their food there. So they're starting on the design part. And look at my sister. Maria was trying to demonstrate what to do. And we were wondering if
Okay na kaday.
my sister is doing the right thing. Wow, we were almost finished now.
Sure.
Okay, let's observe what my sister is doing. Go, Dai.
Katawa? Wala ay. Joke.
You can do it. Yeah.
Pwede lang. Ano?
Na.
magic, you know.
You can do it, Dai. Kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo yan. Next year, you'll finish it.
Kitlaw lubot.
Ako pag yun in English, my butt is hurting.
Di ko kaya.
Yeah, the second time around.
Di ko kaya. Kaya mo yan.
So my sister is trying the initial part. Kaya mo yan, Dai. While Marie is doing the crucial design. Crucial design. Why is it crucial? Because we don't know how to do it. Ano siyang gitawag na ako ng crucial design. And my sister is doing fine with the initial part. And after this, she will realize that she wanted to do the skirting for the rest of her life. I'm just trying to help, but I don't know if I'm really helping. So I'm just putting the pin in and out. But Marie said that it's getting narrower.
No.
It's getting narrower, not wider. Right? So you just have to put the pin inside, in and out. Sakto ba na ang gibuhat? See? I can do the skirting for the rest of my life. Just putting the pin. Pero balik ko akong pin. Hala, nang maot.
Idag ko.
Hala, Marie. 1 inch apart. So it has to be 2 inches apart. But I'm doing the 1.5 inch. So we're preparing for the event. What's the event, Dai?
Anniversary.
Yeah, we're preparing for the anniversary. And the expert is laughing. It's because...
No. I'm so happy.
No, that's not true. She's crying inside because my work is bad.
You're ruining your work.
Okay, I'm done with trying. And my father is trying to demonstrate what to do. So we're almost done with the skirting. Though I'm not the one who's doing most of the job. See?